To turn on Skarper after fitting it to your bike, first press and hold the on-off button until the lights turn on. The Skarper drive unit starts and briefly displays the current battery charge level. Green for a full battery, amber when the battery drops below 70%, red when the battery gets to 25%, and a partial flashing red light for under 10%. If you missed it, a quick press on the main button will show the battery level again. Turn on the pedal sensor, clicking its power button. Skarper has 3 riding modes. Eco, for when you want to cycle with a bit of assistance, Cruise, for a comfortable ride, and Turbo, for an effortless ride. Push the mode button to cycle through the different modes. Every time you turn the Skarper drive unit on, it uses the last selected riding mode. Select your desired ride mode and you're ready to start your ride. Whilst riding, if you want to save your battery charge or want to ride without assistance, you can pause Skarper but still have it ready for when you need it. Simply pedal backwards 3 times. Skarper stays on without providing assistance and the 3 mode lights flash simultaneously. To unpause, pedal backwards 3 times again. Alternatively, if you're off the bike, pressing the Skarper button will undo pause mode. To turn off the Skarper drive unit, push and hold the on-off button until the lights turn off. The pedal sensor turns off automatically after 30 seconds.